My Stocks and Shares ISA has just hit £20,000, and I'll be honest, that feels like quite a big milestone, but when you actually break it down, around £16,000 of that is money that I've just put in, so moved, and around £4,000 of that is growth. And I think that split is really important, because in this video I want to walk through what that £20,000 actually represents, what surprised me, and what I've learned from building it so far, using my own real numbers, because this isn't theory or financial advice. This is just what's actually happened to me with my own money as a guy in his mid-30s just trying to figure this stuff out. So let's start with the reality. £20,000 sounds like a big number, but £16,000 is contributions, £4,000 is growth, which means most of the work has actually come from me putting the money in, not the market returns. And I think that is one of the biggest misconceptions that certainly I had when I started investing. I think you can be led to believe that, oh, I'll invest and the market will just do the heavy lifting, but in the early years, it's you that's doing the heavy lifting. So this is probably the biggest thing that I've learned, and that is that contributions matter much more than returns at the start. For example, if you've got £1,000 invested and it goes up 10%, you've made £100. Whereas if you add £1,000 more, you've just doubled your investment. And that's basically been my experience. The growth is nice, but the real progress has come from consistently putting money in. The second thing, it doesn't just go up. You might see the £20,000 now, but there have been months recently, in fact, when I've been down over £1,000, and that does not feel great, especially when you're still adding money at the same time. But I think this is where the mindset shift happens, because you realize that this isn't a savings account. It is going to move. It's going to go up, down, sideways, any direction, who knows, and you've just got to become comfortable with that. The third thing is that simple has worked, I think. My portfolio isn't complicated. It's mostly global index funds and the S&P 500. I'm not constantly buying and selling. I'm pretty much only buying, in fact. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm buying on the same day each month, just consistently, and leaving it. And honestly, that's been enough to get me to £20,000. The one that did surprise me a bit though is that it does feel slow. Like, you think that £20,000 would feel massive and like a big breakthrough, but because it just builds so gradually, it just kind of creeps up on you. And at the same time, it also feels like it's taken a while to get here, which again just reinforces that this is a long-term thing, not something that happens overnight. This one's been a bit of an unexpected one for me, but it's changing how I think about spending, because now when I spend some money, as I do spend money through day-to-day life, there is a part of me thinking, that could have gone in my ISA. And that doesn't mean that I don't spend the money, but it does mean that I'm more intentional with where I spend money. And I think that that has had a bigger impact than the actual returns so far. I'm not going as far to think about like opportunity cost, but I guess that's what it is, in that, I spend that there, but it could have been. I know I need to strike a balance, but it's definitely made me think more about that. And this is where it links back to everything else that I've been talking about on this channel, because this ISA isn't the plan, it's part of the plan. And it's part of my plan alongside my workplace pension, alongside my buy-to-let property and the property I live in, alongside everything else I'm building, such as this YouTube channel, which would really help if you hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. Because I don't just want to rely on one thing, I want to have options. And just quickly, I do get the odd question. You might have noticed the platform I use for this ISA is Trading 212. That's where my full investment is. I like it because it's simple, it's easy to invest monthly, it's low cost. If you do want to check it out, I have a referral link in the description down below. If you use it and sign up to a Trading 212 account, we both get a free fractional share. There's no strings attached. I'm going to be sharing what that means from a creator point of view as well in my monthly YouTube channel updates, and hopefully it kickstarts you on your investment journey. Thank you very much for the support. So yeah, £20,000 invested, £16,000 from me, £4,000 from the market, which is a good return. And honestly, it's just made me realize that this is more about consistency than anything else. Just invest, wait, repeat, month after month, let it build. Curious though, where are you at with your investing? Are you just starting, or are you further along? I've had so many like insightful comments from people in the comment sections of the last few videos, so I really look forward to hearing from you.